Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Former President of the United States of America Barack Obama has released his summer 2019 music playlist, which features a few reggae singles. On Saturday, Obama revealed the list to his 24.1 million Instagram followers, which shows Toast by Coffee at number 28 and Toots and the Maytals' classic 5446 was my number, holding the number 37 spot. In his caption, he said, quote, "With summer winding down, here's a sampling of what Michelle Obama and I have been listening to. Some new, some old, some fast, some slow. Hope you enjoyed," unquote. Coffee's hit track was released in November 2018 and is produced by Izzy Beats and Walshy Fire of Major Lazer. The track has gained Coffee wide popularity, accumulating over 63 million views on YouTube. It also formed part of a Rapture EP released back in March. The young reggae sensation also won an award at the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association Award for Song of the Year. The track was featured in Jordan Peele's hit film Us and snatched 3 International Reggae and World Music Awards: Best Female Vocalist, Best Teen Entertainer, and Best New Entertainer. Meanwhile, Toots and the Maytals' 5446 was first released back in 1968 on the Beverly's label in Jamaica and the Pyramid label in the United Kingdom. It had a follow-up version released a year later. Toots and the Maytals are known for classic tracks such as Bam Bam, which won the inaugural festival song competition back in 1966. The list also included songs from the likes of Lauryn Hill, SZA, Ella Mai, the Rolling Stones, Drake, Rihanna, and Jill Scott. Great going, Barack. Governor is gearing up to release his highly anticipated album dubbed Humans and Monsters Are Not the Same. The album consists of 14 tracks and will feature songs like Unanswered featuring Tarrus Riley, The Light Up with Dre Island, and Cups Up, his current single. The album also samples production works from CJ the Chemist, Quantanium Records, Immuta Production, Big Zim Records, Chimney Records, The Ultimate Dream Team, and LMR Productions. Governor has been getting rave reviews since embarking on the scene. He has released hit songs like Big Being and Breeze, which features Idonia, among other hit songs. The album will be released later this year.
Men build weapons that I couldn't even imagine. I've seen aliens drop from the sky.
Now onto the international scene, where it was announced over the weekend that the sequel to Black Panther is coming to theaters May 6 in 2022. The announcement was made at Disney's D23 Expo in Anaheim, California on Saturday by film director Ryan Coogler. Black Panther received 3 Oscar awards earlier this year for Best Original Score, Best Production Design, and Best Costume Design. It also became the first superhero film to earn a Best Picture nomination. The film also won the NAACP Image Award for Outstanding Motion Picture back in March. Black Panther also shattered box office records by becoming the highest ever grossing superhero film in North America. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.